Hi students, good morning to one and all. Welcome to today's class. In last class already we discussed about cross product of two vectors. Already I given brief explanation for cross product of vectors, but in this class once again I repeat the formulas. That is area of a triangle formula. Area of a triangle formula is half into magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Next, the unit vector is perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Okay, the unit vector is perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. So that is nothing but so that is plus or minus a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar divided by magnitude of a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Okay. So now these three formulas are very important. Area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Area of a parallelogram equal to magnitude of a bar cross b bar. The unit vector is perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. That is plus or minus a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar divided by magnitude of a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Now we will move on exercise 10.4. That is a bar equal to problem number 1, a bar equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap, b bar equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap. Find a bar cross b bar. A bar equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. B bar equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap. Find a bar cross b bar. So a bar cross b bar can written as determinant. This is called determinant. Okay, this is called determinant. Determinant of that is I, j, k. What is I coefficient? 2, 3, 3. What is b? What is b vector? 3, 5, minus 2. You have to expand. So by using first row or second row or third row, or by expanding by using first column or second column or third column. Okay, that is I into 3 2s are. You have to take I into, I have to take this row is common, this column is common. Just you have to multiply. See, you have to leave this column and this row. Okay, you have to multiply. 3 2s are minus 6 minus 5 3s are 15 minus j into here plus minus plus. Clear? That is how means that is in matrices, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. See, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you will get even number, you will take here plus. So 1 plus 2 is 3. so that is you will get odd number, you will take minus. 1 plus 3 is 4, you will get even number, that's why is plus. A21, 2 plus 1 is 3, you will get odd number, that is minus. A22 is 4, you will get a even number, that is plus. A23 is 2 plus 3 is 5, you will get a hard number, that's why minus. 3 1, so plus. 3 2 minus. 3 3 plus. Okay, so this brief I will give the brief explanation about determinants in determinants chapter. Just you have to expand by using first row here, plus minus. Next by using I plus, j minus, k plus. Okay, now come to minus j into, that is, see, you have to take this row and this column is common, so you have to multiply. So except this row and this column, you have to multiply the elements. 2 2s are minus 4, 3 3s are 9 plus k into, that is, this row and this column should be common. 2 5s are 10, 3 3s, 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, that is I into minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21, minus j into minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, plus k into 10 minus 9 is 1, that is minus 21i, minus 21i, minus into minus plus 13j plus k. This is A bar cross B bar. Okay, I think all of you are clear. So already I told in previous session, A bar cross B bar is a what? Vector. A bar dot B bar is a what? Scalar. Here A bar is given, B bar is given. We have to find magnitude of A bar, we have to find A bar cross B bar. When you will take cross product, you have to use the determinant. So what is A bar and B bar components is ijk. So that's why you have to write that ijk in first row. And again, what is the A bar components? You have to write second row. What is B bar components? You have to write third row. That is 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 minus 2. Now you have to expand this determinant. This is called determinant. Okay. Now here when you will take I plus, when you will take j minus, when you will take k plus. Okay. That is I into 3 2s are minus 6, 5 3s are 15, minus j into 2 2s are minus 4, 3 3s are 9, plus k into 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. That is I into minus 6 minus 15 is minus 21, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13, 10 minus 9 is 1, that is minus 21i plus 13j plus k. Okay, so I mean this is A bar cross B bar. Now we will move on. That is problem number 2. Find magnitude of A bar cross B bar if A bar equal to I minus 7j plus 7k, B bar equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k. Observe students, find magnitude of A bar cross B bar. A bar vector is given, B bar vector is given. First we have to find A bar cross B bar. That is A bar cross B bar equal to, when you will take cross product, you have to use determinant. Already I told in the previous problem, in A bar vector, in A vector, in B vector, what are the components? I, j, k. That is I, j, k. What is A bar vector? I component, j component, k component? You have to write in second row. So what is B bar components? We have to write in third row. That is 1 minus 7, 7. So B bar component is 3 minus 2, 2. That is A bar cross B bar equal to I into 7 2s are 14 minus 14. 7 2s are 14 minus 14, and again here one minus will come. Minus into minus 14. Next come to second element. Minus j. Already I told here plus minus plus. So plus minus, next when you use k component, so you can use plus. Minus j into, we have to take this row is j is present, this row and this column. That's why I take the common this row and this column. That is 2 1s are. You have to leave it this row and this column, and we have to multiply the remaining elements. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21, plus k into, see k is present first row and last column. So 2 1s are 2 minus 2, 7 3s are 21 plus 21. So that is I into minus 14, minus into minus plus 14, minus j into minus 21 plus 2 is minus 19. Clear? Plus k into 21 minus 2 is 19. So 14 gets cancelled. That is minus into minus plus 19j plus 19k. This is A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is 19j plus 19k. Now I have to find magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 19 square plus 19 square. That is 19 square is 361. 19 square is 361 plus 361. 361 plus 361, 722. 722 can be written as 361 into 2. 361 into 2 is nothing but 722. Square root of 361 is 19. That is 19 root 2. This is the magnitude of A bar cross B bar. This is the solution for problem number 2. We will move on. Next problem. Yes, it is very important problem for board exam. This is very important problem for 3 marks. Problem number 3. Find the unit vector. Observe the problem in the textbook. Find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector. That is A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. A bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. B bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. When cap is missing, you have to write yourself. Okay. So now question is find the unit vector. That is, you find the unit vector perpendicular to A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar. A bar is given, B bar is given. Now I will take, that is formula is plus or minus a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar divided by magnitude of a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. This is the unit vector perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Now first I have to find a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar equal to a bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus b bar is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So a bar plus b bar 3i cap plus I cap is 4i cap, 2j plus 2j is 4j cap, 2k plus 2k minus 2k gets cancelled. Similarly, we have to find a bar minus b bar. A bar is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. That is 3i minus I is 2i. 2j gets cancelled. 2k plus 2k is 4k cap. This is a bar minus b bar. So what is the formula? Unit vector is perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. Formula is this one. A bar plus b bar, already I got the value. A bar minus b bar, already I got the value. Now I have to find cross product. Okay, that is a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar, determinant of I, j, k. So what is a bar plus b bar components is 4. But here k is missing. K is missing, you have to write 0. 4, 0. Here j is missing. That is 2, under j you have to write 0, 2, 0, 4. You have to expand I into 4 4s are 16, 0 0s are 0, minus j into 4 4s are 16, 2 0s are 0, plus k into 4 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8. That is 16 I into minus 16j minus 8k. This is a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. That is magnitude of a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar equal to square root of 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. 16 square is 256 plus 256 plus 64. 256 plus 256 is 512. 512 plus 64 is 576. 576 square root of 576 is 24. Square root of 576 is 24. That is, I have to take formula. Unit vector is perpendicular to a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar equal to plus or minus a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar is what? 16i minus 16j minus 8k divided by what is magnitude of this? 24. This is your answer. Okay, dear children, today's class we discussed problems of formulas of cross product of vectors and problems of cross product of vectors. Okay, in tomorrow's class only we have to discuss exercise 10.4. okay, so I am concluding the class. Thank you everyone.